Assalamu alaikum, little kids. I hope you will be doing fine, enjoying your holidays, and of course, you will be giving some times to your reading as well. And you know that stories, you love stories, and stories, in fact, are very great source of entertainment, and also they give us knowledge, they help us become good human beings and understand our world also. Today, the story I have selected for you is of a little mouse, a brave little mouse who bravely stood against the enemy and saved his house. Now, this is the story of a tree mouse who lived in a forest. The title of the story is The Great Green Forest by Paul McCarthy. High up in the great green forest, the sun began to rise. Way down in the deep dark shadows, a tree mouse was curling up to sleep. Screech, screech, whoop, whoop, chirped the frogs. The sound was screechy, the sound was sharp. Whoop, whoop, screech, screech. Stop the noise, yelled the tree mouse. I'm trying to sleep. But all she heard was the zzz of a cicada somewhere outside. Zzz. Then the humming of a bird. Hum over here and hum over there. Stop that noise, yelled the tree mouse. I'm trying to sleep. Then, cue, kiddick, 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 came the calls from the forest ground. Toucans pierced the curtain of green with a cue, kiddick, kiddick, kiddick. Stop that noise, yelled the tree mouse. I'm trying to sleep. But the forest was alive with songs and sounds. Yug, screech, 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 squawked a macaw. Yug, scraw, 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 screeched another one. Stop that noise, yelled the tree mouse. I'm trying to sleep. But her voice was drowned by the monkeys that bickered in the branches. Whoop, 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 whooped one. Eek, eek, screamed the other. Stop that noise, yelled the tree mouse. I'm trying to sleep. And suddenly the forest fell silent. All she heard was the echo of her own voice. Animals clung in silence, not daring to move or make a sound. Even the cats that ruled the forest now cowered in quiet. That's better, thought the tree mouse. But it wasn't. She couldn't sleep. The silence grew worse than any noise until finally she cried out, Please make some noise. I'm trying to sleep. She waited, and then there was a noise. She heard a distant boom, boom, and then a grr, 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 rack-a-deck, shoom, that shook